Hi, I'm Raghavendra. I'm working in RV Engineering College, Electronics Department, Bangalore. And this is the paper I did in IJSCR under the guidance of Dr. Ariprasad and Dr. Uttarakumari. The paper title is Study of R2R 4-bit and 8-bit DAC circuit using multisim technology. So this is the standard circuit. So that is analog to digital convert. So we can go for either analog to digital or digital to analog. So this particular block diagram shows analog to digital. So for example, if we are giving the information as an analog, we are getting the digital signal. So information should be either analog or digital. If you are giving the analog signal, it will come as a digital, or if you are giving the digital signal here, it will come to as an analog. So in this particular paper, I did the DAC circuit. So this is the abstract. An R2 ladder is a simple and inexpensive way to perform a digital to analog conversion using repetitive arrangements of the register networks in a ladder-like configuration. The application of multisim for realizing R2 or DAC bridge the gap between the theory and the real circuit. The paper provides a detailed view of a 4-bit and 8-bit R2 ladder with the optimum accuracy by using multisim. Experiments are performed on 4-bit and 8-bit R2 ladder with a dedicated counter, and the accuracy of theoretical experimented and the multisim experimented scenarios are compared here. The comparison shows higher range of accuracy in the obtained when R2 ladder is experimented in multisim. Multisim offered additional features such as easy implementation, rebuild and a cost reduction when comparing the practical simulation of R2 ladder. It is very useful to the circuit debugger and the students who are working on electronics. And this is the circuit what we are using in my paper, and this is the ladder circuit, and this is the design what we hide it. So these two are very important. And this is the simulation output. It is multi-sim output it is. And this is the circuit what we are using in multisim. It's a 4-bit ladder circuit, and this is the output like a multimeter. So we are getting the voltage as a output, and this is the digital inputs, and this is the theoretical values calculated by this particular design, and this is the experimental value by multisim output, and this is the theoretical value. For example, this particular, the first case is shown here as a output. The first case is 0001. So for that, the theoretical value is 0.20833. My experimental value is 0.20939. So almost it is same. So for all the 15 cases I checked here, for example, the final case it is 3.12500 is the theoretical value, and the experimental value is 3.12595. It is same it is, almost same it is. And the comparison practical and theory it is the same thing is compared with 8-bit circuit here. So, and this is the multi-sim output it is. So it look like a CRO. So we have an option here in multi-sim. We can see the CRO output as well as, and this is the multimeter output like a voltage. So this is CRO output in multi-sim. For example here, so this is the values, digital values here, and this is the analog values. So for example, this case, we are generating some values here, analog output. So if you compare here, all the 15 cases, if it is once over, the staircase will generate here. So this is what the final output here. So same thing in CRO, the normal CRO also it is same, and the multi-sim output also it is same only. And the final conclusion is most physical variables are analog in nature, such as temperature, pressure, and weights can have infinity number of values. Converting an analog value to digital equivalent is called digiting the values. Such operation is performed by analog to digital converter. After processing the digital data, it is often necessary to convert the result of such operation back to analog values. This function is performed by digital to analog converter. The multisim simulator, useful tool performing theoretical and practical experiments in improve understanding the various electronic concepts. It is also helpful to design and program embedded system application in our future research work. It is also can debug the execute to verify result before real-time implementation. Experiments were performed a 4-bit and 8-bit auto ladder with a dedicated counter. The accuracy of theoretical experimented and multisim experimenter scenarios are compared here. Results shown higher range of accuracy is obtained when auto ladder is experimented in multisim. So this is what final conclusion. And final thanks to IJSR for giving me this opportunity. Thank you so much. Thank you.